Will some jobs go? Yes. The most basic, mundane coding jobs ChatGPT can replace.
People are saying Gen AI is going to come. There are already a lot of job cuts that we have seen over the last 1 or 2 years. People always have this fear of recession probably every 7 years. And with Gen AI coming in, will it compound? Will jobs kind of reduce?
Every fundamental shift in the way technology has worked has only created more and more interesting jobs and interesting opportunities. Will some jobs go? Yes. The most basic, mundane coding jobs that ChatGPT can replace, they will probably replace them.
What kind of jobs will be there?
Hard to be very exact about it, but within companies, prototyping new websites are much faster. A competent developer can take the help of AI tools in order to prototype things faster, take it from idea to solution much faster. So it's hard. So I don't need as many developers to do the same amount of work, right? Doesn't mean that the person who's using these AI tools and then building out solutions for the company can take it easy. I mean, they'll have a really good job on their hands. They still have to have the customer understanding, the market understanding, the product sense, and all those things have to come in. They are the ones who know where this product is going to go in the future, and factoring all of that into today's designs, it still needs a very, very competent programmer. But you don't need someone who will just basically do a very small prototype to see if things can work. In more hardware type of companies, where you have to write device drivers and things like that. If you feed in, say, a pinout sheet of a particular microprocessor and something that comes with it in terms of a training manual, then generating, bring up software and things like that should be fairly straightforward going forward. I mean, it might make some of those jobs a little bit redundant. Today is a very specialized job. Bringing up a microprocessor board on a PCB is actually very specialized work. It needs understanding of several things, including basic electronics and how microprocessors work. Maybe a lot of that can be commoditized because AI does it much better, and there's plenty of training data available there. So to train on a vast amount of code already available, and then using that information and knowledge to bring up new software on new boards and things like that should be simpler. So some jobs will go, but more interesting jobs will come, and they'll be large in number. Because it just shifts the goalpost of what needs to be solved. Previously people wrote a lot of frameworks, a lot of code in order to serve websites. Frameworks came, some jobs went, but
more jobs.
Yes, huge appetite for more jobs too.
Yeah.